Ever scroll online late at night and add weird stuff to your cart? We took it to the next level.
We found a house on Amazon, $19,000, delivered.
Could this be real? Only one way to find out. We clicked buy now.
But the confirmation was real, the shipping was real, the charge, very real.
The days after were a blur of excitement and panic. Our families thought we'd lost it. Then, delivery day. A massive flatbed truck rolled up with a crate the size of a shipping container.
We cleared a patch in my friend's backyard, trading sad carrots for a house. Staring at that crate, it hit us. This was either genius or totally nuts.
The driver just shook his head. We were about to become homeowners in the weirdest way possible. The adventure was just beginning.
For 19 grand, we hadn't just bought a house, we'd bought a challenge. The neighbors were watching. We were about to unfold a house in the backyard.
We each grabbed a spot, ready for the main event.
The whole thing was built to expand outwards, like a blooming flower.
The instructions were one page, mostly pictures. Step 1, find friends. Step 2, unfold.
Every layer revealed something new. Doors, floor panels, windows.
Unwrapping it was like opening a birthday present the size of a minivan.
Inside, a folded metal structure, an entire house, origami style.
Leo, our handyman, started barking orders. 30 minutes later, we finally cracked it open.
First mission, open the crate. It was sealed tighter than a bank vault.
We stood back, dusty and amazed. We'd built a house before lunch.
The roof panels sealed tight. In under an hour, we had a weatherproof house.
No measuring, no cutting, just click, lock, done.
Front and back panels snapped into place, windows and doors already installed.
In under 15 minutes, we had 4 solid walls. This wasn't a shed, it was a real building.
Next wall, easier. The house took shape in minutes.
Suddenly, we had one side of a house. We cheered like we'd won the lottery.
Ready, set, heave, we pushed. Nothing. Then with a groan, the first wall moved.
It was a blank canvas, but a well-equipped one. We'd built a real livable home.
Double-paned windows, real locks, high ceilings, it felt open and comfortable.
All we needed was to hook up water and power. The hard stuff was done.
It was fully wired too. Light switches, outlets, even a breaker box.
We laughed. A $19,000 house with a bathroom. Game changer.
There was a bathroom, toilet, sink, shower, brand new and stylish.
But it was finished. Laminate floors, white walls, and actual rooms.
Time to see inside. We opened the door expecting an empty box. If you can dream it, and it's on Amazon, you can probably build it. The possibilities are endless.
Or find an even crazier project online.
Maybe we'll buy another and connect them, build a mega compound.
It was teamwork, laughter, and pure astonishment.
We started with a crate and ended with a home.
As the sun set, we sat on the porch, amazed at what we'd built.
The potential is huge: guest house, office, even affordable housing.
In most cities, that's not even a parking spot.
For $19,000, we had a 2-room house with a bathroom and electricity.
Flip the switch, lights on, magic.
Time to make it ours. We moved in a sofa table and some art.